안녕하세요 여러분, 성스님 롤란드입니다, aka Teacher Jolux po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. I just finished my class, no? Uh, sa online class ko. Okay, I don't have class for the next hour, so gagawin ko tong video ko mabilis. So ginawa ko po ito, kaso lang dito yung sinusulat medyo malabo yung video. So ulitin ko lang, no? So my discussion is here, no? The 8th part of speech, okay? Or we call it grammar and balarila or mumbo. Sabi ko nga alam niyo po, walang lingwahe, okay, na walang grammar. Okay, so this is very important. And sa ano po, sa inyong dito nung kayo elementary or high school, okay, ito yung subject na hindi natin pinapansin. Okay, gaya nyo, ako rin. Okay, ang paborito nating subject ay recess. Joke lang po. So anyways, hindi pwedeng hindi nyo to balikan, hindi pwedeng hindi nyo to pag-aralan muli, dahil mahihirapan po tayo mag-analyze ng ng sentences during your exam. So ang exam nyo po ay hindi yan puro words lamang. Okay, ang masakit pa dyan sa ulo kayo sa ulo ng vocabs, tapos vocabs lang kayo, hindi kayo nag-master ng ating sentences. Okay, yan, sumasagot si baby ko. Okay, yan. Anyways, class, no, you have to recall the 8th part of speech or the grammar. So first, no, we have here yung ating noun. Okay, of course, a noun in Korean term is myeongsa, no. In Tagalog, naalala kung ano ito? Okay, ang noun po ay pangalan. Okay, of all of the words, no. Para sa akin, the moment you open up your eyes, dapat alam mo lahat ang words, no, na nasasakupan ng mata mo. Okay, ibig sabihin dapat familiarize. And I really highly suggest, okay, na sulatan mo lahat ng gamit sa bahay mo, because they're all nouns. Also places is very important. They appear in exam, lahat ng lugar, no. Nagulat nga ako one time, I saw one of the exam, no, may castle, no. Ako hindi ko alam yung word the castle, no. Lumabas sa exam, ito yung castle. And of course, mga works, works and things, no, yung lahat, no, kumot, kama, okay, towel, toothbrush, toothpaste, everything you use in a daily basis, dapat alam nyo po in Korea, okay, in Korean. So, para ma-expand yung noun ninyo, okay, is something like dito, dapat meron kayong dictionary, no, offline dictionary sa cellphone ninyo, napakahalaga. Okay, so I usually give it to my students, no. Sabi ko nga, lahat sila binibigyan ko nitong application, pati yung pagte-text ng Korean is very important po. Next, of course, is the pronoun, no. Pronoun, ano ba yung pronoun? Temyong sa Tagalog, ito po ay panghalip. Okay, so kung naalala nyo yung ako, siya, alright, kami, tayo. Sa English, they have she, he or she, okay? And those are pronoun. I call it personal pronoun. Tama ba tayo? Personal pronoun. And also, interrogative pronoun. Sino, kailan, saan, bakit, ano, alin, magkano. So, those are interrogative pronoun. And also, yung ating demonstrative pronoun na ito, ayan, ayun, okay? And yung demonstrative pronoun of place, dito, doon, roon, okay? So, diyan, okay? So, those are pronouns. Naalala nyo na? So, I hope you do recognize these words, no? Pag sinabi now, ano yung now? Okay, ano yung pronouns? So, these things appears on exam. Okay, and then of course, we have the verb. Ito yung pinakamalawak na topic na dinidiscuss ko during my class. No, kasi ang verb ay, it has a lot of suffix or hulapi. Okay, naglabas ako minsan ng post ko about sa suffix, kung gaano karami yan. No, ang nakakabaliw sa kanila, the verb, the formation of the verb is always at the last. Okay, subject, object, verb. Nasa hulihan lagi yung verb. Hindi katulad sa English, okay, nasa gitna yung verb. Okay, and of course the is action verb. Ang verb sa Tagalog ay pandiwa. Okay, in Korean they call it tongsa. Alright, and we have the word adjective. Naalala ba yung adjective? Okay, may pangit. Okay, may maganda, may mapayat, may mataba. Okay, so those are adjective. Also, they appear on exam. Okay, malaki, maliit. Alright, so iba pa yung descriptive adjective, no? Sa basic form adjective, sa simple present tense adjective. So, dapat familiar po kayo doon sa transformation nito. Nakakalito yung descriptive, no? Minsan, pag nagtatype ka ng adjective, naka-descriptive form yung yung isang adjective. Okay, so I hope you do remember yung adjective. Adjective po ay pang-uri, no? Pang-uri. Yan. So, pang-uri yung adjective in Korean is yong-yongsa. Okay, we have next, of course, the adverb. Okay, adverb, medyo onti lang to. Okay, hindi katulad ng verb, marami. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Hazel, okay, there are 600 verbs, no? Okay, at sa nouns, naku po, ang dami niyan, no? So, meron nga ako ditong file na meron akong 6,000 vocabs. Okay, parang sinasabi na they have 6,000 words. There are 6,000 words in Korean. Okay, alright, and tawag dito, sir, ilan bang words na ma-encounter natin sa exam? Actually, there are 1,250 words ang ma-encounter nyo sa exam. At sa exam, okay, hindi ko naman masabing iba-iba sila. Maaring paulit-ulit yung words. Kasi, there are 50 items. Okay, there's question is written in sentence. Okay, some of the givens are words. Some. Okay, but most likely it's all sentence. Kapag binilang mo per sentence, halimbawa sa sentence, isang 5 word, okay, so parang 5 times 5 times 50, okay, is 1,250 words. Sabi ko nga in finishing my course, no, yung sa online or sa traditional, you will learn from me around 300 words. Sabi ko, okay, if you know 600 words, no, kare, alam mo yung Hana Dulcet Net, 10 na yon. Okay, il-isang 20, anyo nga sa'yo. So, padagdag lang ng padagdag. So, idadagdag mo to. Make sure pag nagsaulo ka or nag-memorize ka ng word, it should be categorized. Okay, kailangan nakakategorize siya. Okay, and of course, we have conjunction. Ito, nakakalito ang conjunction. Ang conjunction po sa Tagalog ay pang-ugnay. Okay? By the way, adverb is pang-abay. Sorry. Adverb po, example, very, to, all, not. Okay? Konti lang yan. Minsan, very much, no? Sabi nga dito, no? A word that describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. No, and we have the conjunction. Conjunction, nakakalito to class. It can be suffix, it can be stand-alone word. So, better silipin nyo to. Some of the grammar book, no, discusses this. Alright? Baba ka, ha? Okay. Okay. And we have here, of course, the preposition. Alright? Preposition of place appear on your exam, okay, 1 time, okay, minsan twice, I saw it twice, okay, so, dapat sa ulo nyo to, okay, at hindi nyo basta rin siya masasagot ng pag-lock kayo sa vocabs ng place. So, dapat vocabs ng place, alright, and then preposition of place. So, ano ba yung preposition of place? Sa libro, they just define it location and direction, okay, pero tawag dito, ito yung loob, labas, kaliwa, kanan, okay, sa tunutumbok. Yeah. And we have, of course, sa taas, sa baba, sa ilalim. Taas, sa baba, sa ilalim. Magkaiba yun. Okay, sa loob, sa labas, pagitan, at gitna. Okay, at tabi, likod, harap. Alright, those are preposition of place. Again, they appear in exam. Unti lang yan, around not more than 20 words. Baka hindi nyo pa, okay, ma-familiarize. And lastly is the interjection. Okay, interjection, bira naman to Okay, siguro yung wah, alam niyo yung wah. Wah is wow, okay, in Korean. Tawajo, tulong. Okay, so those are sample of interjection. Alright, so again class, for me, the 8th part of speech is very essential. If you don't know this, it's gonna be hard for you para maintindihan o mag-analyze ng sentence. Again, ang labanan sa exam is mabilis ka magbasa, okay? Analyze, and of course, how can you analyze kung hindi mo alam word by word? Okay, minsan alam mo nga yung word, dinikitan ng suffix, hindi mo rin siya maintindihan. So, it's not just vocabs class. Okay? That's why you cannot ask na, alam mo yun, kailan yung exam, no? Without even, alam mo yun, preparing for it. No? Karamitan kasi sa sakit ng Pilipino, kung kailan malapit, doon lang tayo magpupursige. No? It should be in a daily basis class, no? You should be studying right now, no, preparing for it, no, and take the exam as boarding exam. Alam mo, you don't need to study 4 years course anymore, no, just to earn big money, no. Pag pinagtiyagaan mo to in just a matter of 6 months or 1 year, no, halos napakalaki ng iyong salary, no, ranging 55,000 or some of ranging 55,000 to 100,000 plus. Imagine, it's a life-changing salary, no. Then of course, napaka-safe at napakagandang lugar. Okay, at madalas libre ang pagkain at libre ang tirahan. So, saan ka pa? For me, it's incomparable opportunity for abroad. Okay? All you have to do is study. Okay, ikaw nga nag-aral ka 8 years 8 years sa elementary, 4 years sa high school. Ito pa kaya? Just for 6 months to 1 year. Okay, and if you pass the exam and wait until you're selected, okay, it's gonna be a life-changing experience po. Again, recall your grammar, okay? Please study it, no? Kasi may mga ibang terminologies ako na ginagamit natin. If you don't recall this, mahirapan ka maintindihan. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching my videos po, and I will have more videos to come po. Maraming salamat po. 송스님 롤란도입니다. 고맙습니다.